Hi and welcome to an episode focused on the colours in July in my UK tropical style garden. Unfortunately, this is July and a terrible one at that. So it's just a gloomy day after gloomy day. Let's have a look at some of the plants I have here. Asiatic Lily. These come in many patterns and colours, and I'm particularly fond of this one. They all seem to have their spell, where they're either open or not, such as these orange ones, which I think have gone past their peak flower now. Salvias. One of my favourite garden plants, and they produce a really nice smell. This is Salvia Amistad, deep purples and snake-like tongues. This is a Canary Island Foxglove. New to the garden this year. Some fantastic tones on this as well. Not sure how big it gets, but it seems to be doing absolutely fine in this spot in my garden. I won't be covering the plants and flowers that I covered in my June tour. Just focus on some new ones. Like Coleus. This is definitely the common variety. They all have very different shapes and patterns and come in a wide range of variants, such as Coleus Campfire. These striking red tones. I will be moving these later, as the slugs really like them. And currently, just for show for you guys, Ensete Morellii. Can't beat these. Not fully hardy, but you can either dry store them, keep them in a house plant over the winter. I'll show you one from last year in a moment. Canna lilies, really struggling to come up this year. I believe this one is called Golden Flame. This is my other Ensete, the one that was dry stored, and it's just huge. Well, obviously not as big as some of the people that have these tropical style gardens, but really pleased with this. It brings me on to petunias. They come in all colours with lots of different patterns on them, ranging from quite rigid structures like stripes through to these veiny type ones as well. Well worth planting in an area like this where it gets a little bit of shade and it's obviously getting enough water, where I keep watering this banana as well. You do have to deadhead them, so literally as I pass this every day going to my garden, I just pull a couple off. Easy care. Nasturtiums, a reliable, colourful flower that will come back year after year. And sometimes you don't want them, but they're easy to dig out. These will flower right from June through to October and again into November time, depending on how mild the year is, and provide some great ground cover colour. This is Salvia caradonna. Gone past peak flower now, I will be cutting back. They'll regrow again pretty quickly. Salvia Blue Marvel. Also will be needing a cutback soon. This is a Rhododendron, also known as Spanish Reed. Does well in the shade and in sun, and is a particularly invasive plant, so be careful where you plant this, or do grow it in a pot. It's got these lovely variegated leaves, reach about 2 meters, potentially more in height. A stunning looking geranium, I believe this is called Fireworks. Coreopsis grandiflora, and I only have one flower, but they appear in spring and generally flower through to about August-September time. Thanks for watching. I do hope to do more videos soon, but certainly looking for a better day. Hopefully the back end of July brings us some better weather, and I can incorporate my July tour into that also. Have a great day.